I tried SecuX W10 app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I got my hands on the SecuX W10, I wasn't expecting much. It looked like another basic hardware wallet, small, simple, and straightforward. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth became obvious. This device packs serious security power at a surprisingly affordable price. Right out of the box, the SecuX will feel solid. It's built with a metal casing that gives it a sense of durability, and setting it up took less than 10 minutes. I generated my recovery seed, connected it via USB, and synced it with the SecuX app. Everything felt clean and professional. Here's where it got interesting. The wallet uses a military-grade secure element chip, the same level of protection found in high-end competitors like Ledger and Trezor. Every private key is stored inside the chip, never exposed to the internet, keeping your crypto isolated from hackers. Over the week, I tested transactions with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few ERC20 tokens. The process was smooth, though not lightning fast. The touchscreen interface worked well, but the display felt a bit old school compared to modern wallets. Still, what it lacks in flash, it makes up for in function. Most people get this wrong. They assume cheaper hardware wallets can't offer strong protection. But the SecuX will prove that you can have reliable offline security without spending hundreds of dollars. By the end of my 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. This wallet may not be the fanciest, but it delivers exactly what crypto users need: security, simplicity, and trust. If you want to protect your coins without overcomplicating things, the SecuX quietly does its job better than most expect.